Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your CashApp account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your CashApp account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in cash.app like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to this page, which is the home page of CashApp. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the login button available over here. Click on login and you'll be directed to this page where you'll be required to enter your email or your mobile phone number like this, with which you had registered on CashApp, and click on request sign-in code. And on the next step, you will be required to enter the code which was sent to you by CashApp, and after entering it, you'll be able to sign into your CashApp account. And guys, this is how you log into your CashApp account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.